If you follow me carefully, in the next few minutes, you will have your own YouTube channel. And wait, if you already have a YouTube channel, you should still watch this video to be sure that you set your channel up correctly and that you have all the right settings properly done. YouTube and Google change their platforms regularly, so some of the things you might see when setting up your channel might be slightly different from what you are seeing now. Don't worry, there is always a way out. Just check around. To set up your YouTube channel, you need one thing: a Google account, or let's just say a Gmail. There is Google account, there is YouTube account, and there is YouTube channel. You need a Google account to have a YouTube account. You need a YouTube account to have a YouTube channel. So the first thing is to go to your browser. You can use any browser to do this. So I click on Google Chrome and I simply come to the address and type youtube.com and I enter. So I have opened the YouTube platform. If you already have a YouTube channel, it should log into your YouTube channel if you are logged in. If you don't already have a YouTube channel, this is the place where you can create a YouTube channel. Now you simply come to the icon at the right here where there is an empty image of a person and click there. It's giving me the option to sign in, assuming I already have a Google account or a Gmail address, like askdrmalik@gmail.com. So if you have a Google account or a Gmail email address, just simply sign in. And note, you can use any Gmail address. It doesn't matter the name of the Gmail address. My Gmail address can be askdrmalik@gmail.com. However, my channel mustn't necessarily be Ask Dr. Malik. I can name my channel anything. And again, you can use one Gmail to create several YouTube channels. Now, since we already have our Google account or a Gmail address, let's sign in to create our YouTube channel. I simply click on sign in and it's asking me for my email address. So this is the email address I created for the purpose of this tutorial. I put in my password and now I have logged in or created a YouTube account. But that doesn't necessarily mean that I have a channel. For some of you, instead of your channel, you will see create a channel. Simply click on that and put the name of your channel. For others, you might just see your channel. Just simply click in your channel and move on. It is the same thing. So I click on your channel and now it's giving me the opportunity to create a channel, to put in the name of your channel, and you can always change this, so don't worry. Realtor Malik. So you can see that my channel name is different from my Gmail address. Simply click create channel, and if you see anything like this channel does not exist, just simply refresh and then you will see your channel. Now when we reach here, you have to stop. If you are on desktop or laptop, you can continue. However, if you're on a mobile phone, you won't be able to continue until you change your browser to a desktop mode or a window mode, depending on the browser you are using. I'll simply come to the topmost icon, click there and go to desktop site. So you can see it has changed my smartphone to start behaving like a laptop, like a desktop. You can see that this channel is empty. I can go ahead now and start customizing the channel. So if I come into the top right here, I can just click and go to YouTube Studio. So this gives me opportunity to customize my channel, meaning that to put in the right settings and fill in everything. First, come to this magic wand and click it. It will give you opportunity to do your channel customization. So the first tab here we see is the layout. Leave that for now. Let's move on to branding. Here is where you can put in your icon, your DP, and your channel banner and your watermark. If you are one of my students, I've already given you the specification for each of these and I have already shown you how to create each of these. Number one, click upload to upload your DP. Number 2, click upload to upload your banner image. Number 3, click on upload to upload your video watermark. Again, if you are one of my students, I have given you the watermark, just upload it. And that's that with the branding section. Next, go to the basic info section. You will have to put your channel name. I know I told you can always change your channel name and your channel description and several other things here. Click on this icon and then write your channel name the way it is. If you're one of my students, I gave you 4 different methods for getting a great and unique channel name. And then description, I've also given you people channel description. So go ahead and copy and paste your description there. Make sure you put space. If you type one sentence, this is me, double space, then say welcome. Put double space so that it will be easy to read. Go ahead and write your channel description. Then this is your channel URL. If you have reached a certain threshold on YouTube and it changes frequently, as at the time of shooting this is 100 subscribers, you'll be able to change your channel URL. And then go ahead and add your links, add your social links. You can click on add links. There is link title and there is link URL. The link title is what you want to appear. So for me, I could just say website, and then the URL, I'll put the link to my website, https://www.thechannelchallenge.com/join. When I'm done with that and I have another link to add, maybe I could just click on this. So I could come here and say Facebook, and then I will go to Facebook and copy my Facebook link and put there. However, if you change your mind, you could just simply click on this bin icon and then it deletes. So go ahead, put in the name of your link and then put in the URL of the link. If you don't do it rightly, there will be a red alert and you will not be able to continue. Any social media you put, you go and look for the link. You can put your WhatsApp. If you have a WhatsApp link that you have created using a WhatsApp shortener, go to Google and type WhatsApp link or WhatsApp shortener and then get your URL and then paste it there. Choose the number of links you want to appear on your banner. I usually leave it as the first 3. Then go ahead and put your email address. Sometimes it will just give you a red alert. If it's doing that, just delete it so that you can continue. It's optional. When you are done, please make sure you save it. If I zoom out now, I can just come to publish and click on publish. If you have any settings wrong, the publish will not show. It will show gray like this. But if you have it right, it will show blue and then you continue. When you are done with that, come to the layout section and then you customize your featured section. Leave uploads, come to add section and just click on popular uploads, then add section again and click on, if you want your shorts to show, you can leave it short video, add section, and then the next one I want is created playlist. Then make sure you click on publish at the top here. Now we are done with the basic channel customization. Next, advanced settings. You scroll down to the very end and the bottom and then you will see this setting cogwheel. You click on it. You will see general settings, you will see your channel settings, you will see your upload defaults, and basically those are the things you need for now. Then go to the channel settings, choose your country of residence, channel keywords. If you are one of my students, I've taught you how to get your channel keywords. I give you 4 methods. Get your channel keywords and put the keywords here. When you are done with that, then you go to advanced settings, and under this advanced settings, if your channel is a kids channel, most of you don't have a kids channel, so just leave it as no, set this channel as not made for kids, except if your channel is for kids. There are other advanced settings which might not apply to you here. If you don't want to display your subscriber count, but I advise you do that, so just click on display subscriber count. Don't touch this advertisement, just leave it like that. Then the next step you have to go to is the feature eligibility. If you don't do this, there are several features on your YouTube channel you will not be able to use. So go through the process. You can see that the standard feature is enabled, but the intermediate and the advanced features are not enabled. I just click on verify phone number and it will take you through the process of verifying your phone number. So just follow through the steps. It's straightforward. When you are done with that, then come to the advanced features and click. Go ahead and enable the advanced features because it will help with channel monetization and for live streaming and other features. Click on access features, do a video verification or valid ID. Within hours or days, they will verify you and then you'll be good to go. So go through the process and enable these things. Next, come to the left and go to upload default. The only thing I want you to change here is your description. And again, if you are one of my students, I gave you people a sample description. Customize it. So where I put my Facebook link, you put your own Facebook link and go ahead and write your description. Your visibility, put it as unlisted. But when you upload your videos, remember to change it to public. Then come to advanced settings. You can choose to allow automatic chapters or not. And then for your video language, so let me choose English, United States, and just simply click on save. You can go through the other things there, but then they are optional. You can just ignore them if you wish. Congratulations, you have your YouTube channel. So the next step is to start uploading videos. And to do that, click here to learn how to use your own smartphone to create great professional videos so you can start uploading on your channel consistently, grow your business and grow your brand. Play big, and I'll see you in the next video.